My top 3 reasons to do a custom kitchen. 1, irregular shaped spaces. 2, for functionality, for customize what you need. And 3, of course, style. So first, when you do custom cabinetry, you will lay out a design, but you'll have a team that's going to come and measure and make sure it's down to the 16th of an inch perfection to fit into your space. And all of the creativity that goes into making sure that it flows and that it looks well and that it feels balanced can be done with a team in hand. 2, for functionality, there's so many different ways that you can use kitchen drawers. I highly recommend drawers above doors whenever possible. But here's just a wine storage and pullouts for anything you can imagine. Even here, this is really cute. I love that. Definitely a certain style, which we will get into that conversation next. But there are so many different options, like literally thousands of options that you can add into your storage. And that is an important feature of having custom cabinetry. Suits every need that you have. And then the third reason to do a custom kitchen is to create the style and the look and the feel that you want in your home. And you can do that through the wood, through the stain color, through the door styles. We'll actually dive into that a little bit deeper on our next reel.